Hi, this is John with Senior Enrollment Solutions. Long-term care is a topic that's been brought up often, especially with the lingering side effects of what COVID's affecting our economy and our nation with. What is long-term care? Do you need it? And do you wish to purchase it, I guess is the question. Understanding that not everyone uses their long-term care. Some consumers have a heart attack and unfortunately pass away right on the kitchen floor, where other consumers may need or require assistance with living for years or decades of their life. So let's really break it down for just a moment's time. So what is long-term care? Long-term care is an additional policy that is not attached to your Medicare. It is not attached to any health-related product. If you decide to purchase long-term care, the long-term care policy is going to provide you that additional level of service or care that may be needed with eating, bathing, housing, what have you, to continue enjoying your life as the years progress. When should you purchase long-term care? Well, the younger and the healthier you may be, the less expensive your premium will be and the better value that you may have out of your long-term care. Now, with certain long-term care policies, they do have an inflation benefit. As inflation occurs, your monthly benefit increases. Now, keep in mind that there are very few long-term care carriers any longer. As times have changed, the long-term care policy has been built into a hybrid life insurance or annuity policy, where oftentimes it's less expensive to purchase a life insurance policy that includes a long-term care benefit as opposed to just purchasing a separate long-term care policy. Now, with long-term care, basically what you're doing is you're paying a premium. The carrier's keeping a small portion of that premium for administrative fees. And then if and when you need to utilize your long-term care policy, the rest of this money that you've paid in, accumulative over time, is paid out to you on a monthly basis. That monthly benefit is paid out to cover your meals, bathing, or perhaps even just your resident cost itself to live in that long-term care or skilled nursing facility. If you have any questions pertaining to long-term care, whether or not it may be a good fit or purchase for you, or if you're just looking to understand what your premiums may be with your current health and age, phone us at 877-777-5972, or for all things Medicare related, seniorenrollmentsolutions.com.